Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design a chat interface in Stitch. All right. So first up, go over to stitch.withgoogle.com. As you can see here, I have here a sample app that says chat list. Okay. So I'm just going to click on it just for you to see. Now in the first prompt, okay, I'm going to show you right here. I said, can you make me a messaging app and use a wireframe, okay, as a reference. A wireframe, basically this one. Okay. But you don't need this. All you need to do is just go ahead and ask Stitch right here to create a design for a messaging app with a chat list screen, just like this, a chat conversation screen right here, a chat option, okay, or a chat settings. Here's the chat option. You can mute, enable a certain sound or custom sound, automatically save contents to your gallery, and chat wallpaper. Okay, so also I've added here some app settings and also profile settings and FAQ. Okay, so what you're gonna do is just ask Stitch right here under the dashboard. Okay, you can go to select either an app or a web chat interface. Okay, so let's go ahead and try web. Can you make me a chat interface that looks like WhatsApp? Just for example, just hit on generate and wait for it to load. All right, as you can see here we now have a chat interface. All right, so if you want to add some more details about it, like maybe a option or a toggle for white and dark mode, you can go ahead and add it right here just to describe it, or let Stitch know right here what you need. Okay, I hope you get the point now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.